Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte graphic card driver. So first you have to come this site www.gigabyte.com, this officially website. After that, this is search icon, just click on it and then enter the model number of the graphic card AORUS RTX 3070 Master 8G, and then click on the product. Now 2.0, 1.0, 1.1. So there are three types we can see, but installations, drivers, download, installations process same. Then click on support. Then select operating system, Windows 7, 10, 11. So all the operating system installations, driver download and installations processing. So this is your driver, and click to download. This is when you click to download, now it will start downloading, like, and it will complete 4 to 5 minutes. After that, click on download and then click on three dot and then click on download. Now you can see it is completed. So this is completed. Then open this file, show in file folder. So where it is downloading, it will open it. You can see this is your driver. Just right click and run as administrator. And if you are using Windows 10, so like this, run as administrator. You can see Nvidia package launcher and click to yes. Then click on OK. After that, you can see this is extract drivers to your system for the installation. Please wait the file save to your computer, and when complete, driver installations will start. After that, you can see, okay, now you're checking the connectivity, and then next to install, next, and then restart your system. You can see this is icon, next. license options, then here to step finished, and after that also completed driver, then restart your system.